Hello students, this is Shipra Gupta from St. Xavier's, Hardoi. Students, in my last class, I taught you about computer and now I am going to teach you parts of computer. But before I start this lesson, first you all of subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get latest notification. And students, if you like my video, so please like it and share it. Introduction of computer. In my previous class, I taught you computer. So what is computer? Let's recall the topic. A computer is an electronic machine that works on electricity. It makes our work easier and faster. A computer works at a very fast speed and does not make any mistake. And now students, come on the topic parts of a computer. As our human body having so many parts like eyes, nose, ear, hand, leg, in the same way computer also having so many parts. These parts work together to make the computer work. So, the computer has main four parts. The first part is monitor. Monitor looks like a TV screen and it shows us what we do on the computer. Whatever we do, we see words, pictures, and movies on a monitor. Whatever we type on a keyboard, the same is seen on the monitor. The second point is keyboard. The keyboard is a flat board with many keys on it. Students, do you know a keyboard has 104 keys? How many keys? 104 keys. The keys are marked with numbers, letters, or symbols. We can type and give instruction to the computer with the help of the keyboard. Now the next point, mouse. The mouse helps us to draw pictures and points to object on the computer's monitor. Are you getting? Mouse helps in pointing item on the screen. It has 2 or 3 buttons on it and also has a wire. Just you have seen a tail. Yeah, tail, that is wire, which connects it to the computer. We can click and move objects on the monitor with the help of mouse. So now the next point is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the most important part of a computer. Students, CPU helps the computer to think as we are thinking now. From where we are thinking? From with our brain now in the same way. Computer is also having brain. Having brain. So CPU is called the brain of computer. Why? Because it also helps the computer to remember things. Now the next point. Some parts of computer. These are the four main parts. Now we will come next parts. That is printer. The printer is used to print something on paper. Printer, have you seen the? Yeah. A printer prints out information from the computer on the paper. The printed copy, whatever printed copy have you seen or paper is called the hard copy. There are different types of printers which print either in black and white or in colors. So now then next, speakers. The speakers helps us to listen the music and sound from the computer. Usually speakers come in pair. They are also connected to the CPU. Next is UPS. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. It keeps the computer on for some time even after the electricity goes off. Student, as at your home have how many are having inverter at your home? Are you having now? When electricity goes off, so it automatically start work. So in the same way, computer is also having a battery inverter that's name is UPS. It keeps it has a battery which is charged from the main power supply. The computer is connected to UPS by a cable. Now next, modem. A modem is connect the computer to the World Wide Web or internet through a telephone line. Are you getting? The next point is CD drive and DVD drive. A CD drive and DVD drive help to play music, videos and store data. Whatever we can is we can store whatever we want, we can store on CDs, and that CD we can see on CD drive. Are you getting? Yeah. Good. So now here I am showing some parts of computer. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer, speakers, UPS, scanner. Now it's activity time. Students, missing letters. Now here, look at this K dash Y B dash A dash D. So tell me, complete the word. What is this? Which spelling is this? Which have many keys? Very good. Keyboard. Now the second one. M dash dash S dash. What happened? What is this? Again tell me. Which is having tail? Very good. Mouse. Now the third one. CP. Yes, Shreya. U. CPU. Very good. Now the fourth one. SP dash dash KER. That part which you have to listen music. Think. Love it, you tell me. Very good, love it. Speaker. Now PRINT dash R. So what you have to fill here? What? Printer. Very good. Now 6. Last one. MO dash I dash dash R. Tell me, which part is this? Look like a TV? Monitor. Very good. Now the second question. Find the following words in the word grid below and circle each one with different color pencil. So here, have you seen the grid? So some words are there: keyboard, mouse, modem, CPU, speakers. So what you have to do? Find out the letters. Once I solved it, you see here. In the same way, you solved it. Okay, come on, next question. Identify the parts of a computer and circle them. CPU, key, rat, keyboard, mouse, blackboard, phone, speaker, cat, printer. Yes, Shraddha. Tell me the part of computer. Good, see, very good. CPU. And Shtakshi, you? Keyboard. Very good. Mouse. Very good. Speaker. Printer. Good. Now the next question. Give answer in one word. How many keys are there on a keyboard? I tell you now. I told you in the... Very good. 104 keys. Name a part of computer which is known as the brain of a computer. Which part known as brain of a computer? Tell me, Sean. CPU. Very good. Then last question. Which part do you use on computer to listen sound or music? Adyan, tell me the answer. Speaker. Very good. Very good, students. So now you all of you do this. Now, solution is there. This is for you. The first, keyboard. Keyboard. The second, mouse. Mouse. The third, CPU. CPU. Fourth, speaker. Speaker. 5, printer. Printer. Number 6 and last, that is monitor. Monitor. Very good, you all. Now, the grid. Have you solved, mouse? Very good, Shraddha. Now, Ishan, find out the modem on this grid. Come and find out. Very good, Ishan. Now you go. The next one. Yes, Shraddha. CPU. Find out the CPU. Very good. The last one is speaker. Adyan, come and find out the speaker. Very good, Adyan. So now come on, next question. As you told, identify the parts of a computer and circle them. So CPU, keyboard, mouse, speaker and printer. Circle. Very good. Now answer in one word. How many keys are there on a keyboard? 104 keys. Name a part of computer which is known as the brain of computer. That is CPU. Which part do you use on computer to listen sound or music? That is speaker. Thank you everyone.